Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download event email templates from Eventbrite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Eventbrite website. Log in to your Eventbrite account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the event for which you want to download the email template. Click on the event to open its details page. In the event dashboard, find the Manage section. Select the Emails tab from the menu options. Look for the email template you want to download. Click on the email template to open it. In the email template view, look for the Download or Export option, usually found at the top right. Choose your preferred file format for download, such as PDF or Word. Click on the Download button. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, check your computer's default download location. Open the downloaded file to ensure it has been saved correctly. Customize the email template as needed. You are now ready to use your downloaded email template for your event. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.